reassessing standards 8.5 and 5.4. So they give us a frictionless incline, and the distance from here to there is 40. They give us an angle of 30. They give us a force applied, which is 200 newtons, and they give us a mass of 10 kilograms. And they ask us to find the acceleration, the work, the potential energy, and the kinetic energy. And I already drew my force diagram. And so it has to be tilted since it's on an incline. So in order to find FGY, we need to do 100 cos of 30. 100 cos of 30 equals 86. 100 sine of 30 equals 50. We know the acceleration F net is equal to FMA. That's what we have to do in order to find that. We know the net force is the force applied minus FGX, since it's bigger, is equal to MA. The mass they gave us, 10. If we do FA minus FGX, which is 50, equals 150 is equal to 10. A divided by 10, divide by 10. You're going to get that A is equal to 15 meters per second squared. Now we have to just solve for the work, potential energy, and kinetic energy. Okay, so we know that our kinetic energy's formula is equal to 1/2 mv squared, but we don't have v. What do? We can use one of our kinematic formulas. So Vf squared is equal to Vo squared plus 2a times the change in x. So the acceleration is 15 times 2, change in x is 40. They gave us that. Vo is 0 since it wasn't moving, and Vf, okay, there. So 2 times 15 times 40 is equal to 1,200. 1,200 is equal to Vf squared, and we could just leave it like that because our formula is 1/2 mv squared. So you plug in, the mass they gave us was 10 times the velocity squared is 1,200 times 1/2, and you get that 10 times 1,200 times 1 divided by 2 is 6,000. So the kinetic energy is equal to 6,000 joules. We answered that part of the question, but now we need to solve for work. If we draw an LOL, we see that there's no energy in the beginning because it's not moving. There's a force applied that adds 4 blocks. And so kinetic energy and potential energy is going to equal to the work. So the work is equal to the force times distance. The distance they gave us was 40. The force applied was 200. So 200 times 40 is 8,000. So 8,000 joules. And so the work in this case, if we take the equation from our LOL, is going to equal KE plus PE. Whoops. And KE we solved for before was 6,000 plus PE. Work is equal to 8,000. PE is equal to 2,000. And we solved for everything they asked.